Some things you have to learn the hard way. But these are 20 things I wish I knew when I started freelancing a little under 2 years ago. Number one, networking is important and you need to build real connections. A few hours each week, get on calls with new people, make friends, make genuine connections. I've made endless thousands, tens of thousands of dollars from doing this in the long run. Number two is under promise and over deliver. It's easy and tempting to over promise, to try charge more, to guarantee you get the client and so on. However, it doesn't typically work out well in the end. So set expectations and smash them. Number three, don't charge per hour. I've done this. I've been on hourly projects and it's not fun. It does not work out. It's a quick way to earn actually less and be consumed by that one project for far too long. Get paid upfront, and your value is in your ability to fulfill, not what your hourly rate is. Number four, don't say yes to everything. It's tempting, yes, I know, but trust me, in the long run, you'll hate yourself if you're saying yes to everything. You'll end up doing projects you don't want to do, and you'll actually just end up burning out and disliking this whole situation and not continuing at all. And you'd be doing it all for an extra few bucks, which in reality, at the end of the day, won't matter. Number five, testimonials are a fast track to success and social proof. However, followers builds almost as much trust, so focus on getting eyeballs to your profiles. Number six, this is a business, so treat it like one. You'll have to work long hours, and trust me, there will be painful roller coaster emotions throughout the whole experience. That's how it's meant to be. Don't get discouraged. Continue moving forward. Number seven, you are a marketer. Learn sales, positioning, listening, personalized looms. All this will help you stand out from the competition. Working smarter means working harder, and that doesn't mean to be you working harder. If you can outsource a simple task for $3 an hour, why not? It's a win-win for everyone, and you save so much time. Focus on the 80% that moves the needle. Number nine, clients don't pay writers $200 an hour, but they might pay you $2,000 an hour for a task that could take 5 hours or 10 hours. It's value-based pricing. And always think, how much money will you help them earn? That's how you value yourself. Number 10, add value in every way possible. Make suggestions that are beyond the scope of the project. Don't be afraid to go above and beyond for a great result. Some of my biggest testimonials and case studies are from projects like this, where I went beyond the scope, and trust me, it made it worth it. I made more money in the back end because of it. Number 11, collect social proof, testimonials, and ask for referrals when it makes sense. When you've got results for a client, ask for referrals. Do you know anyone else that could do with this service? Ask for that testimonial, promote it on your social media, and so on your landing page. Number 12, focus on step-by-step results. We all want to earn millions a year. First of all, how can you earn $100 a day to escape your 9 to 5? Then you can worry about $200 a day, then 500, 1,000, 10,000, and so on until you get to that point of your dream state. Sometimes growth means learning on the job. Just accept the deal if you have interest in it. I see people declining deals all the time and declining really good money because they're not experienced in it and so on. This to me is ridiculous. It's different if you don't want to work with the customer, but if you're not accepting the deal because you don't have experience or you're not confident enough, that's ridiculous. Take the deal. You will figure out on the job how to complete it, or else you will outsource it and you'll still learn more. Number 15, get as much information as possible from the client. During the onboarding process, ask as many questions as possible. You don't want to come back in a couple of weeks' time saying, "Ooh, I need an answer for this and this and this," and then you look lost and then you don't look as competent. Ask the questions in the beginning, then you can work from there. Number 16, stop worrying about forming a company or getting an accountant. Make money, then worry about the taxes, and always save at least 30% just in case you have a big bankroll that you have to pay for taxes. This can happen. I've seen a lot of people suffer because of this, and they actually end up working to pay back their taxes, which is wild. Number 17 is network with other freelancers. They are your friends. They are not your competition. Referrals will come from this. Build a great network. Super important. Number 18, if people try to negotiate with your price, leave them go. Leave them be. Never budge on your standards unless it's in extreme circumstances where you're desperate for the money, or you're willing to bend for the client, but only bend for specific reasons. Maybe you know them. Maybe you just really want to work on this project, so on. 19, if you don't click with someone, don't hesitate about working with them. Like, just don't work with them. You are a freelancer, and one of the perks of being a freelancer is you work who you want to work with. We're not in a 9 to 5 anymore. You're freelancing. That's it. Take your pick. Number 20, and possibly one of the most important ones to note, and it means turn up and tune up your pricing. The more someone is willing to pay you, the easier the project will be. I've seen people get paid 10 to 20,000 for projects they'd honestly only take a few days. And the clients that pays that much money does not care. They disappear for months. Then they might come back and ask for, how's the update on the project? Any update on this? These are the people you want to work with. Okay, it can be hassle to get the project done, but when you're a few months in freelancing or years in, you want people that pay high and worry less about that money. People that can't pay as much, they tend to micromanage, they tend to worry about their money more. It's more important for them, okay? This is from experience. Take it as it is. Charge more, have better clients. Thank you for watching. Check the description if you want to get started more in depth with freelancing and actually scale your online business. So, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like this video. Take care. Stay tuned.